Since the birth of the first elevator, tens of thousands of elevator practitioners have worked tirelessly in the rapidly developing industry. China has become a global elevator manufacturing center and research and development center, with the most completed elevator supply chain and the largest elevator market in the world. We are willing to share the elevator technology achievements with the world, and LG Elevator was born from this. LG Elevator aims to provide excellent quality while focusing on localization services, supporting and cultivating local agents and partners to grow up, raising elevator cooperation to a new high level. We import international advanced technology, build Industry 4.0 smart factory, integrate global elevator industry standards, create highly intelligent and modern production base, rigorous and detailed system, and modern enterprise management mechanism, and put forward strict testing standards for every elevator and data to ensure the efficient and rigorous completion of each work and product. Our staff are senior practitioners in the elevator industry. The workshop workers are skilled workers with 5 to 15 years of experience. And the technical engineers are experienced technical experts with 20 to 30 years of experience. Our salesmen can only stay after strict training, screening, and assessment. We believe our team will be able to provide you with the most attentive service. We also believe that, firstly, elevator is not only a product, but also a service, lasting 10 to 20 years of long-term service. Secondly, for partners, we not only help you to earn money, but also try our best to support you do business bigger and bigger. Thirdly, we believe in teamwork. Individual power is limited, but team power is infinite. We welcome friends who are interested in the elevator industry development to discuss cooperation, work and have fun together.
Welcome to
Assalamualaikum.
Selamat datang di LG Elevator.
Welcome to LG Elevator. Welcome to LG Elevator.
Global partner to Elevator Factory.
Welcome to LG Elevator.
LG Elevator is engine of the
Vous êtes bienvenue à LG Elevator. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to LG Elevator.
LG Elevator. Keep running as a beat heart of your building.